This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Sharon Engels. Charming and affordable designer styled cottage. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,205 square feet with custom woodwork, built-in shelving, benches, custom cabinets and wainscoting make this home truly unique. Open concept living space and split bedroom floor plan. Master bedroom features private covered deck overlooking backyard and custom features. Wonderful neighborhood and a short distance to Bayview Park and the waterfront. You'll appreciate the huge garage with overhead and wall heaters that can house 7+ cars or use it for whatever you need. Car collection, gym, office, private backyard partially fenced with buffer of trees and nature along back and south side of property. Near all conveniences and minutes to I-5 and the